First thing I've got to do, I've got to dry down the wall. As per usual, when you turn up, everyone makes you a cup of tea and your name is T2 Sugars. What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, a Welsh graffiti artist. Today I am in Pontargwaith with Jack Street. He wants a Welsh inspired wall and it's raining, so I've got a marquee, I've got some tarpaulin, I've got everything to keep me dry. So this is the wall and we're going to chuck some Welsh stuff up on you. So yeah, I'm going to get some lines marked out first and then some fill and things like that, but hopefully this will keep me dry and we can get the painting done today. So the first thing I've got to do, I've got to dry down the wall. Dry off the top so we don't get no drippers and runs or anything like that. And keep everything dry. And that's the magic of having a great big marquee. So, or gazebo, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, dried all the wall down now. I can start marking out. So Jack's come up with some great images and spoke to me about like what he actually wants here. So there's like a little section of wall on the end over there. So we're going to put the three feathers and like the Principality Stadium and like bits of like Welsh rugby based over there. And then here on the side then, under the blue tarpaulin, we're going to put some like mining stuff. So like a miner's helmet and a miner's lamp and a pickaxe and stuff. And then I have all this like black and white. Then in the middle, we're going to do a big Welsh dragon. And then over to the other side then, behind me, is the other Welsh national symbol, is the daffodil. So yeah, so we've got some yellows, some reds, and a little bit of black and whites going on and around this. And hopefully going to put in like a little bit of a funky style. And hopefully it looks cool. But yeah, I'm just going to start slapping some shapes up on here. Trying to work it out in my head of what I want to do. As you can probably tell, I haven't got a pre-sketch. I've just got to do it all off the top of my head. And hopefully it comes out right. So, let's go. I always love coming to like jobs like this one where you get real awesome people like Jack who pops down the shop to buy you a chocolate bar. And yeah, making massive cups of tea left, right and centre. It's going to make me pee every 2 seconds though, so he needs to stop what he's doing and cut down on the cups of tea. But no, awesome. But yeah, getting my dragon in, done my mining section already. And yeah, so we've got some daffodils next. Let's finish this bad boy off first. And everything's going to be like kind of black and white with obviously the hints of colour here and there then, like, but my lantern on the end over here, he's gonna have like a nice big glow coming out of it, so like it's been turned on, and then the glow end is gonna be reflecting off all the edges of the helmet and the pick and the shovel in the background. But yeah, it's all coming in nicely, and I'm not getting wet because of this thing, and yeah, it's all going good. But I'm just gonna crack on and do some more. So, you might be wondering, where on earth does chicken come from? So, it's actually the next day after doing the Welsh dragon and the mining helmet and a daffodil. But we need to go back now to Jack's and finish off there's like a little bit of a wall at the end. But I come to this community centre just to do this like little chicken the other day, but it was just absolutely raining. So I've just come here to finish that off first before then heading back to Pontegwaith to finish off the mural. But yeah, this is a pretty cool looking chicken. The guys here at the community hub in Toyne in Merthyr Tydfil is they're doing a fantastic job. They're like doing like a self-sustained community centre, and I've just come down to do a little mural on their shed, which looks kind of cool. So yeah, here's some fancy shots of this.
Little chickens.
I see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving.
So yeah, we're back at Jack's, and we've got this little bit left. It's the back end of the wall, so there's the rest of it up there, and we're going to put 3 feathers and the Principality Stadium on it. I'm going to add like the clouds like I've done in before in the background, and so a little bit of like ground here and there. But yeah, all in all, that's all I've got to do, and then this one is done. So 2 little jobs done and finished today, and yeah, gonna get a big massive cup of tea now off Jack now, which I'm looking forward to. But yeah, let's get this started, and let's get it done. So yeah, all done here in Pontegwaith. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And there's also a giveaway for a free mural, but you have to be based in the UK. I'll come to wherever you were based, even if you're on the Highlands of Scotland. If your name gets pulled out, I will come to you and do a painting. You don't have to be a new subscriber, you just need to be subscribed. So screenshot the subscribe button that you are subscribed. Send that screenshot to me on Facebook or Instagram or even Twitter. Just get it to me in any way, shape or form that you are subscribed, and you will be in with a chance of winning a free painting. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Peace.